Welcome everyone to the Global Dream. And today we are going to learn HTML formatting elements. Formatting elements are designed to display special types of texts, content. Okay, all right. It's really simple and easy, and we can learn it in just 15 minutes. Okay, let's go to our project. Just open git's version control. Okay, I just type here git and press enter, and git version control has been opened. All right, if you are visiting this YouTube channel for the first time and following or watching this web development course or web development tutorial just today, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get a notification. Remember, when you subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon, you are saving $10,000. If you go to learn web design and development or any programming, and if you are attending a bootcamp, then you have to spend at least $10,000 to $20,000. So you are following this video tutorial means you are saving this huge amount of money. All right. I just want to make it bigger. How I'm doing it, I just press Control plus and Control minus. It will make a little smaller and bigger. Okay. And first, I'm telling it to go to desktop of my computer. Okay, desktop, and I can check what do I have on my desktop. Just typing ls command, then press enter, and here is everything. And we know web development, free web development is our project. Okay, our folder. So I just cd to free web and press tab button, and it will autocomplete. Then I can check what do we have inside our free web development. We have assets folder, CSS folder, and JS folder. And we also have index.html and debug.log. Actually, we have two files, and we have another file inside CSS, and we have a picture inside assets, and this folder is empty. However, we can just type code. This is a command to open code editor. Code space dot press enter, and it will open Visual Studio Code. All right. Now, what we are going to learn today, we are going to learn how we can format our text. Okay, so I just press Ctrl B, and it will expand the area. If I want to bring the project explorer again, I just press back Ctrl B, and it will show my project explorer. And we can also handle from here. Okay, click back, and it will appear in front of us the project explorer, and you can also hide it to make the space a little bigger. Okay, first, what text formatting we are going to use is bold. Okay, say for example, I want to make it bold, so I can just use b tag. Okay, all right, and I just copy and paste the text I want to make it bold. Okay, and paste here, and once you right button click here, review in File Explorer, double click on HTML, and you can see uh, this three words has become bold. Okay, all right, and let's make this two words uh, bold again. Which one? Uh, let's do it this one. We are not using B, I'm just using strong. Okay, actually I can type also. I can just write strong. Okay, and I just copy this part, and the words I want to make strong means bold. Okay, I can just go back and check. Now we can see it has become bold. Okay, and uh, at the same time, what we want to do, say for example, we want to make it italic. So italic, I just type I. Okay, okay, and even I can just take it out, and the words I want to make it italic, I just type back here I closing tag, and we can check now. You see these three has been italic. Okay, italic means, I think this four, italic means it has become little like this, not straight. Okay, all right, now we can also emphasize. Okay, let's do this to emphasize. You can just use em tag. Okay, let's do this. Em tag is emphasize, and let's see how we can emphasize it, these two words. Okay, all right, I think these two words has been emphasized, just like italicize. Okay, same as let me make this text color black. It will be tag red. Instead of red, we are using black. Black can be FFF. I see. Check. It has become white. Black is 000. So you can just say red is 0, green is 0, yellow is 0, and it will become black. Okay. Excuse me. Yes, now it's better to understand. Now let us mark this whole text. What is mark? Let's go and check. I want to mark it. Mark means actually highlighting. Okay, highlighting the text. How we highlight? Usually we use P text here, right? It will highlight the text. How? Let's see. You see, it has been highlighted with yellow mark. Okay. Now we can also use del tag. Del tag, say for example, for feces, I want to use del tag, and it will strike the text. Okay, let's check how does it work. What do I mean by strike? Let's go and check. Just refresh it, and we see the text has been strike, like deleted, but still it can be seen. We say strike. And you can also use ins, means inscribe. Let's do the first three. Inscribe. Okay. We are using ins. Let's do it. Ins, and I just take this three words inside the ins. Okay, and let's check what is inscribe. You see, it's just underline. Even I think we can use U to underline. I'm not sure. I forgot. But usually we can do it. Let's do the second paragraph. I just use U. Okay. And I copy, cut, and paste here. And let's see what happens. In the second para, like here, just underline like inscribe, ins. Okay. And we can also use subscript text or superscript. Let's subscript this to sub, and take it. I want it to be subscript or superscript. Okay, you see, it goes down actually. And we can also do superscript. Okay, I want it to be superscripted. How we can do it? It will be just sup, and I can say good boy. All right, let's see. And you see, it goes a little up. Okay, thus we can do text formatting in our web pages or website. Okay, again, thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. If you are following this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I upload a new video. And remember, when you are subscribing this YouTube channel, uh, you are saving $10,000 if you want to learn web development. Wish you all the best. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.